What is up? This is Neil Gonzalez, Weather X45, bringing you a weather update. We have severe thunderstorms coming by. As you can see, these are funnel clouds of cells coming in our way, and look at right there, it's really dark outside. We could have a possibility of lightning strikes. I'm not really sure. Let's see if this storm could beat the one from 2000 and the one from like a week ago from 2016. Winds are right now picking up about just 5 miles per hour. But I want to show you something a little beautiful, just for a little vlog special for you guys. This is a thunderstorm. I will send this to Neil Gonzalez, the King of Comedy channel as well, because I like to do vlogs of storms too. So I want to give a little update. I will be doing vlogs of lightning videos, thunderstorms. Right now the storm is actually coming on its way, and sorry for the blurry camera. The rain is actually coming down already. This might not be like a really strong storm. It's gonna be staying here for like an hour. Right now people are running right there. Another storm in our way. We are expecting a heat wave that's coming tomorrow. Temperatures will be very, very hot. St. Louis is having temperatures of 106 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is actually getting pretty nasty. Just a bit. This guy's running. So we might probably get some lightning. Not really sure. I heard some little thunder rumbles. This is actually the storm right now. We had a low pressure that came in our area, and now the rain is just coming down already. The most significant to the storm was the thunder rumbling, and the most significant from the storm was mostly like rain right now, because you can see like rain is coming down. You can see like a little rain. I'm trying to look. I'm gonna try to see how bad the clouds are getting. Yeah, right there, you can hear the thunderstorm. These clouds might bring some rain impact, depending on its strength and ability. We're in the area that we're gonna get like scattered showers and severe thunderstorms. This National Weather Service issued a special weather statement where we're gonna get thunderstorms, and it's actually raining pretty hard, just a bit. I want to show you the rain coming down. I think you won't be able to see it well, but look at these clouds. Really, really thundery clouds. Yesterday it was supposed to storm. And yep, the rain is coming down right now. The rain is starting to come down. I will show you how I can tell. You see the rain coming down like that, and it's now starting to thunder. These storms will have a potential possibility of heavy rain, and look at this right now. Winds are actually picking up, and now we have the downpours coming down. These people are starting to run. Hurry! Hurry up! Oh, hell to the no. I think these are damaging wind gusts. Oh, hell no! Hell no! Holy crap, it is getting... It's actually getting darker. Then now we're gonna get lightning. Right there, this is where we're gonna have the potential of very heavy downpours. Now we're gonna have some damaging wind gust right now. It is violent outside, guys. It is very violent outside. Oh, hell no. This is getting bad. This is getting bad. This is getting bad. This will bring lightning. Yo, this guy got a little go. Hurry. You guys are seeing this right now? It is actually ugly. Hell no. This is a violent thunderstorm right now, guys. This is actually gonna beat the potential beating to... I'm actually getting high. Oh, hell no. This is very violent now. It is very ugly outside. We will get lightning. I'm just gonna step behind, guys. This is actually not pretty. Now we're having a very violent thunderstorm right now, and it is very dark. This is like, there's a police, the police right there. They're actually warning the people right now to stay inside of the building. Holy crap. Holy crap. It's bad. This is another one. This is gonna bring lightning.
What? How you know? I haven't.
Now this is finally back. I really love thunderstorms. Now we're definitely gonna get some probably damaging winds right now. The rain is picking up to 2 inches right now. I'm gonna show you right now 2 inches of rain getting picked up, and it's actually getting freaking disgusting. Now this is gonna actually probably beat the one from, remember last time? Yeah. I didn't expect this to happen, right? It was supposed to happen in the night. It's very dark. It's like it's the evening, and the winds are gonna actually pick up from this. The rain is coming down hard. We are right now in the cell of the storm. We're in the cell of the storm where there's heavy rain, and this is not pretty at all. I have a feeling that there's gonna be a lightning strike.
Yeah, right?
That lightning's gonna come down hard. Those winds. I told you. Yep. Because friction. The clouds, positive and negative energy. That's my mom right there. Go hurry. That's lightning. This is disgusting. We're gonna get a lightning strike.
I know. And I was telling you my friend just flew out.
Just don't. Right now the winds are just. This done. Wow.
That's how it's like.
Get your umbrella, sweaty. Oh my god. Now this is what you call a severe thunderstorm. That's how I hope this thunder ends. Wow. At least we get some cool. At least we get cooling from this heat. Wow, this is I hope there's no lightning strike coming. I have a big feeling that the lightning is just gonna come hard. This lightning is gonna definitely come.
It's no good to stay in front, maybe.
Yeah, that's why I always stay here. I don't want to be in front of the trees and stuff. Yeah.
Why? What can happen?
Because if you be next to the tree, if the lightning comes down, they said that you get a fire hazard. Told you. There you go. Lightning strike! Lightning strike is already here. That's a lightning compilation. That was a lightning compilation right there. I got it on video. Wow. I'm not scared of these storms. Did you guys see that? That lightning just came 5 miles behind. What? And I actually got that perfectly on the video. Wow. That was a lightning strike. That actually went from far away 5 miles across. Very close to the park.
You think it's not in the video?
Uh-huh.
You're lucky.
I didn't expect this to come. They said it was supposed to be in New Jersey and St. Louis, but then they said that there would probably be scattered severe thunderstorms and it will probably come in here. Wow. Okay, the rain has finally calmed down. There's a great sign that there must be. If the rain is calm and if it's still dark, there could be lightning. Wow.
You on the put on YouTube?
Huh?
You on the put on YouTube?
Yeah. I hope this lightning doesn't. Wow.
Want the rain?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I didn't expect that to be that dark, really. This was actually a severe thunderstorm, guys. This was definitely a severe thunderstorm. So what's the difference? The difference is that this thunderstorm didn't have that much flickering lightning, but it had really contention of really, really nasty dark clouds. Like the clouds were Another one. Another lightning strike. Hang on tight, guys. This is actually a lightning compilation. Another lightning. Another one that came right there. Jesus Christ, man. It's like the power of the God of Mother Nature right here. I didn't expect a lightning to be significant just a bit. This was actually a severe thunderstorm. I'm actually shaking, guys, because when I see lightning, that bad, I just want to stay back. And right now, this guy right here is trying to go away. This is disgusting. This was disgusting. Wow. Now what's the impact? I'll show you the impact right now. The rain fell to 2 inches right here. This one fell to 2 to 3. Thank goodness it didn't fill up a lot. This was actually a small cell storm that came with potentially heavy downpours of thunder. This was actually a severe storm. Let's try to see if we can get one more lightning. And when I hear thunder like that, it's not really pretty at all. Let's try to see if I get one more lightning. There you go. Wow. Hear that, guys? That's why you don't want to mess with Mother Nature. You don't want to take Mother Nature as a game because she does not play with these thunder. She does not play with the thunder. She does not even play when it comes to a severe thunderstorm. Don't even think about going outside in the front of a tree. Because if I was you, I'd rather be here on top of the roof. This is like the rooftop right here. Just right here. I think we might get another lightning. But Jesus Christ, man. This was actually near to that possibility to beat the one from before, the other thunderstorm that I caught, which had more lightning than this one. The most thing that I had to say that's more stronger than this is the cloud. How dark it was from this afternoon. It felt like it was about to be 8 o'clock p.m. in the night. When I look at these clouds, they're probably possibility of positive and negative energy. Wow. I recorded 16 minutes from the storm to show you a time place, how long this cloud has been. Look at these clouds. These clouds are nasty. Wow. Well, there you guys have it. The severe thunderstorm that came in our area from the northeast coast. This lightning is not pretty. And hope you guys enjoy. And as always, Udos to the Toodles. And peace out.